Do you own a laundry business which requires a unique payment and management solution? Take a look at Smart Clean Pro and watch how it operates. Whether it's an on-site order or an in-app delivery, the customer's details and orders get selected by the POS machine. Printing 2 receipts of the same order, the client receives one, whereas the other is kept with the close as a reference. As the order gets placed, the laundry agent prints a tag which contains the customer's orders and details. The tag gets attached to the items of the customer, which aids in the sorting process. This is one of many features that Smart Clean Pro aims for. With Smart Clean Pro, laundry owners benefit by tracking their orders and simplifying their work, which amplifies their business and profit range. Once the items get serviced, the orders move to the sorting and packaging room. The clothes get sorted by the tags, which aim to reduce any order's misplacement, making the customer happier and satisfied. With Smart Clean Pro, the payment methods are various and easy to apply. And as a feature of the loyalty system, the customer will be updated on the latest discounts via SMS. Once the payment is submitted by the customer, the laundry employee checks out the order on the POS machine in a swift command. Get started with Smart Clean Pro, a clean path to a smart success.